Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share screen, PowerPoint, and video on Zoom. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Zoom and signing into your account. Once you're on the home screen, click New Meeting to start a meeting session. If prompted, start the meeting and wait for the main meeting window to open. Before sharing your screen, make sure your PowerPoint presentation is already open on your computer. Next, click the Share Screen button located in the Zoom toolbar. A window will appear displaying all available screens and applications currently open on your device. From the list of available windows, select the PowerPoint presentation you want to share. Before clicking Share, enable the Share Sound option at the right side of the window. This step is important if your presentation contains videos or audio. If available, also enable the Optimize for Video Clip option. Once you've selected these, click Share. Zoom will begin sharing your presentation with meeting participants. If you see green border around your share screen, that means you have successfully shared your screen. To start presenting, launch the PowerPoint slideshow by selecting Slideshow and choosing From Beginning, or by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Your slides will appear in full screen mode for viewers. When you're finished presenting, move your cursor to the Zoom controls and click Stop Share. This ends the screen sharing session and returns everyone to the normal meeting view. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share screen, PowerPoint, and video on Zoom. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.